In a world that often feels cluttered and overwhelming, the appeal of a minimalist home is stronger than ever. Minimalism isn't just about having fewer things, it's about creating a space that brings peace and clarity. If you're ready to transform your space and embrace a minimalist lifestyle, these 10 decluttering tips will help you get started on your journey. Number 1, start with a clear vision. Before diving into the physical act of decluttering, take some time to envision your ideal minimalist space. What does it look like? How does it make you feel? Having a clear vision will guide your decisions and keep you motivated. Create a mood board or jot down a list of words that describe the ambience you want to achieve. Calm, airy, spacious, and serene. Number 2, declutter by category, not room. One of the most effective decluttering methods comes from Marie Kondo's KonMari method. Tackle clutter by category, not by room. Start with easier categories like clothing and books, before moving on to more challenging areas like sentimental items. This approach prevents you from simply relocating items from one room to another, ensuring a more thorough declutter. Number 3, adopt the 4-box method. When you start decluttering, use 4 boxes labeled keep, donate, trash, and relocate. This method forces you to make a decision about each item rather than moving it to another area. Be honest with yourself about what you truly need and love, and don't be afraid to part with items that no longer serve a purpose in your life. Number 4, embrace the 1 in 1 out rule. To maintain a minimalist home, adopt the 1 in 1 out rule. For every new item you bring into your home, let go of an existing item. This practice helps prevent clutter from accumulating again and encourages mindful purchasing. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your belongings in check. Number 5, digitize where possible. In today's digital age, many physical items can be replaced with digital versions. Scan important documents, store photos digitally, and opt for ebooks instead of physical copies. Digitizing reduces the amount of physical clutter and makes it easier to organize and access your items. Number 6, limit your decor. While decor adds personality to a home, too much can create visual clutter. Choose a few meaningful pieces that bring joy and enhance the space. Minimalist decor should be intentional and functional, contributing to the overall tranquility of your home. Remember, less is often more. Number 7, use storage solutions wisely. Effective storage solutions are key to maintaining a minimalist home. Invest in quality storage bins, baskets, and organizers that fit your needs. Store items out of sight, but in a way that they're easily accessible. Labeling containers can also help you stay organized and ensure everything has a designated place. Number 8, create a capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe is a collection of essential clothing items that are versatile and timeless. It simplifies your wardrobe, making it easier to choose outfits and reducing the need for excess clothing. Aim for pieces that you love and that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Number 9, declutter regularly. Decluttering isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Set aside time each season to reassess your belongings and remove items that no longer serve a purpose. Regular decluttering sessions help maintain a minimalist space and also help prevent clutter from sneaking back. Number 10, be sure to focus on quality over quantity. When it comes to purchasing items for your home, prioritize quality over quantity. Invest in well-made pieces that will stand the test of time, rather than opting for cheaper, lower-quality items. This approach not only reduces clutter, but also aligns with the minimalist principle of intentional living. Okay, so final thoughts. Transforming your space with minimalist decluttering tips isn't just about reducing physical items. It's about creating a home that fosters peace, clarity, and joy. By adopting these 10 tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving a minimalist home that reflects your values and enhances your lifestyle. Remember, minimalism is a personal journey and looks different for everyone. Focus on what works best for you and enjoy the process of creating a space that truly feels like home. Happy decluttering, you've got this. Please like and subscribe for more great inspirational videos on the subject of organization and decluttering. Thanks for watching.